It is with deep sadness that we report the passing of Hopeton James, a truly respected Jamaican reggae artist whose contributions to the music are significant and widely acknowledged within the community. Hopeton has been ailing for some time after suffering a series of strokes over the past couple years. In this tribute, we reminisce on his immense contribution to the reggae and dancehall scene and the legacy he left behind. Born in Kingston, Jamaica, on February 21, 1961, Hopeton James grew to become one of Jamaica's most soulful voices. He was famously known as the Medley King for his unique ability to blend Motown soul with dancehall riddims. His career began in the early 80s with the roots-influenced album Countryman, released in 1981. However, his definitive era came in the late 1980s during the digital revolution. He was one of the main singers at the Kilimanjaro sound system, where his unique style would kill many a sound. At King Jammy's, he released his masterpiece, Ready to Rock, in 1988, which included the legendary Sure Shot Medley, a track that defined the singer style of that period. Simultaneously, James became a pillar for Winston Riley's Techniques records, recording solo hits like I'm Lonely. He even joined the final lineup of the legendary vocal group The Techniques, updating classics such as Queen Majesty for a new generation. One of his biggest hits was Samphire Lover with Lady G, which is still today a sure hit on the dance floor when it drops. In the 90s, he continued his success with the My Girl medley and collaborated with producers like Michael Bennett and labels like Roof International, where he scored hits alongside DJs like Jigsy King. His discography, which includes notable tracks like Chain Gang, The Stalker, and Magic Touch, remains a perfect bridge between classic 60s soul and modern Jamaican dancehall. In the latter years, Hopeton James was still one of the most sought-after singers for dub plates and collabs. Over the years, he became a master at his craft, and sound owners and selectors from around the world would come calling for his talent when they wanted to win clashes and make a statement. A distinctive aspect of his legacy is the widespread use of his music within sound system circles. His track, In the Mood to Kill a Sound, sometimes referred to simply as In the Mood, has become a classic dubplate version. It is an essential must-have item for sound systems to use in sound clashes because of its direct lyrics and energy, making it perfect for live performances and competitions. Hopeton James was a prominent Jamaican musician renowned for his work in the roots reggae genre, and his music will live on forever. Rest in peace to the legend, the original, and one of the best to ever do it, Hopeton James, gone but not forgotten. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will help our community grow, plus you will receive notification when we release content like this in the future. Click the next video on screen now to watch another interesting Jamaican content.